When you want to add numbers in a range like C19 to C21, you can do it manually by typing a formula such as equals C19 plus C20 plus C21. This method shows you exactly how Excel reads each individual value, and it's useful when you want full control over what is being added. However, for speed and accuracy, Excel provides the AutoSum sigma feature. You simply select the cell where you want the total to appear, click the sigma button on the Home tab, and Excel automatically highlights the likely range, in this case, C19, C21. Press Enter, and the sum is calculated instantly. You can use the same approach for other operations. Subtraction is done by typing equals D19 C19, meaning you are telling Excel to take the value in D19 and subtract the value in C19. For multiplication, you type equals C19 asterisk D19, using the asterisk symbol to perform the calculation. For division, you type equals C20 D19, and this is a very important operation because it not only divides one value by another, but also allows Excel to recalculate results automatically when the values change. Division in Excel follows a strict left-to-right logic. Whatever is written on the left side of the slash is the number being divided, and whatever is on the right side is the divisor. This means that equals C20 D19 is completely different from equals D19 C20, so it's essential to think carefully about which value should go in each position. Division is especially useful when working with percentages, ratios, unit prices, averages, or converting quantities from one measurement into another. These basic operators, plus, minus, multiply, and divide, turn Excel from a simple table into a dynamic calculation tool that updates instantly whenever any value in the sheet changes. Another powerful Excel feature is the ability to lock a cell reference when you want to use a constant number across many rows. In this example, imagine you want to multiply C19, C20, and C21 by the constant value stored in D19. You begin by typing your formula, for example, equals C19 asterisk D19. If you copy this formula down, Excel will change both references, and D19 will become D20, then D21, which is not what you want when the number in D19 is meant to stay the same. To prevent this, click on D19 inside your formula and press Fn plus F4 on your keyboard. Excel will convert it to $D19, meaning that the reference is now locked and will never change no matter where the formula is copied. Once it shows $D19, press Enter and drag the fill handle downward. Excel will adjust only the first part of the formula. C19 becomes C20, then C21, while $D19 stays fixed. This is extremely useful when applying tax rates, exchange rates, commission percentages, discount percentages, or any standard multiplier across a full list of values, saving time and ensuring accurate and consistent results in every row.